Go on.
Good morning. We're Two Dogs Rose. NASCAR Levi's, leather bush, fish fries, late nights on the porch, sipping no shine. Georgia Pete's hot rod, roll top, four-wheel drive, sweating on the field under Friday night lights. Rodeos, tractor push, all the rock riding bulls, ain't afraid to give nothing, just one try. Football, Johnny Cash, Journey, ball cast, swamp music, and a little mud on my shoes. Well, I'm gonna rock, and I'm gonna roll, and I'm gonna play this guitar so loud that it blows these speakers out. And I'm gonna flip this town upside down, and it ain't gonna stop till the sun goes down. On my southern Friday night, on my southern Friday night. Skinny Joe's, fishing poles, back roads, country stores, hot afternoon, spent swimming in the creek. Coffee's falls, Mississippi to drink, big wheels in my truck bed where my girl watch shoe stars. My fries and bigger rich, hot dogs and wild wrist, but it's alright if that's what you want. Listen me, fastball, last ball, sweet tea, overall. Pick myself up every time I fall. And I'm gonna rock, and I'm gonna roll, and I'm gonna play this guitar so loud that it blows these speakers out. I'm gonna flip this town upside down, and it ain't gonna stop till the sun goes down. On my southern Friday night, on my southern Friday night. Guitar so loud that it blows these speakers out. I'm gonna flip this town upside down, and it ain't gonna stop till the sun goes down. On my southern Friday night, on my southern Friday night, on my southern Friday night.